Lesson number 16 of devised patrons, phonic alphabets. For letter A, having sound of superscripted schwa sound. A social, O for O, C for sh, singular and right-sided symbolic. This is superscripted schwa one. This is little sound. A social, coronal. This O is for O, this O is for schwa. This A is for superscripted schwa one. Coronal. Citadel, C for so. Compare these two. Citadel, superscripted schwa. This is the schwa sound. Citadel. Zabelyoni. This G is singular underline. This means silent symbolic. This I is not I. This is Y sound. Y. This E is not E. This is I sound. This A is A. Shorter vowel sound of A. This is superscripted schwa one. Zabelyoni. Secondary stress. Primary stress. Secondary stress. Vocal. Thank you so much for being with me.